Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And feel free to press the what? That's how you know it's been a while since I've recorded. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and feel free to press the subscribe button that's down below, and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, it is going to be a hair review, and it is going to be from the company, if it wants to autofocus, one more I think, yeah, One More Hair. I'm not sure exactly what are the lengths. Let me check. So I did receive the bundles 18, 20, and 22 inches and a 16-inch closure, 4x4 closure. And the whole total of that was $106.89, which was mad crazy to me. But yeah, and like I said, and it's in the texture Brazilian deep wave. Now, so before I tell you guys a little bit about this hair, I'm gonna show you guys how I put it on. Necessarily, this doesn't look that bad. This doesn't look that bad. You can actually wear this like this if you would like, but me, I kind of like the melted look that I get. So I would get my Gots to Be freeze spray. It's either I would get the freeze spray or I would get the Gots to Be gel, but most of the time I reach for the Gots to Be spray. I would literally get it on my finger. I would put it on my finger and I would literally go around the perimeter of the closure and dab it on the I would dab it in the beginning of it. And like I said, this is a glueless wig, so you necessarily really don't have to do all this, but I'm an extra bitch, so, and I like it to look sleek and blended in with my skin complexion. And yeah, so after I do this, I would get a, oh, you guys didn't even see me, I was out of frame. I would literally get a, I don't want to call it a stretchy thing. You guys know what this is called. I don't have to tell y'all. An elastic. But I think I cut this one way too short because it's not reaching at all. I'm gonna let this go. Okay, it looks decent. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I see a difference. It literally just makes everything just looks blended. I made it 5 days ago. I have been wearing it on and off, and when I tell you guys, this hair is mad cute. I got so much compliments on this unit already, like when I'm out and stuff like that. So I really like that. And when I tell you guys, it's so low maintenance. Ever since I got this hair and I you know, like co-washed it and everything, I'll insert a video, not a video, a picture of how it looked before when I got it from straight out of the box. But when I tell you guys, I literally haven't done nothing to the wig yet. Literally, I just take it off, pop it back on, and I just fluff it out a little bit sometimes. I personally like the big fluffy look. You can just use a spray bottle. You can use a spray bottle to, like, you know, put it down or whatever, but I don't really, I like the big look. So if you like the big look, this is the perfect hair for you. And this hair is pretty nice for the price. As you guys can see, like, it's 22 inches for $106, which is mad cheap. So this hair, I would really recommend it for like beginners, like people, either for people that want to practice on like making wigs and stuff, or people that just wants a wig for like vacation for like a short period amount of time, and it doesn't really snag. Like you can see, like I can still easily guide my hand through it, which is crazy because I literally just throw this wig everywhere. But literally, this wig is mad cute, and it's like, I don't know, like what else can I say? Like, it's mad cute. It's a little bit dry towards the ends. It's a little bit dry, but honestly, like, how can you complain for the price? And it haven't really shed. Honestly, the first time it really honestly shed is when, like I said, I co-washed it, and obviously it's gonna shed when you're washing hair and stuff like that. But besides that, it really does not shed. you can still run your hand through it. And I think that's basically it, honestly. This was just a quick little review. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this hair and show you guys how it looked like if people were interested on like purchasing this hair. Oh Jesus. But one thing I do have to say is the bundles are a little bit thin, so keep that in mind. So you might want to buy an extra bundle if you do want the extra full look. But for me, for curly hair, I wouldn't really recommend you getting another 4th bundle. But if you do want like the huge puffy look, then go ahead. I would suggest you add another bundle to that. But then again, for the length, because you know the longer you go, the skinnier the wefts of the hair will be, so keep that in mind. That's the reason why that's the reason why probably the bundles were a little bit thin. But like I said, I don't really have no issues with it, because like I said, you cannot beat the price because it was mad cheap. And one more time, this hair was from One More Hair. And I think that's about it. But if you guys want to check out this hair, I will try to remember to link it down below from the link that I did order it from. And yeah, and like I said, if you guys do want a custom unit made, it will also be in the description bar down below. But let me know in the comments if you guys like this like curly hair on me. I really like curly hair on me, but yeah, this curly hair is mad cute and very affordable. But if you guys like this hair, give this video a thumbs up. And if you ever tried this hair, comment down below. Let me know how it was for you. Was it good? Was it bad? Did you have it for a long time? Like, does it last long? If you guys do want a video of how long it lasts, let me know in the comments. I might eventually sell this wig because I really don't wear it that much. Yeah, I really don't wear it that much, but let me know in the comments down below. But if you guys like this video, like I said, like, subscribe, and yeah. But I'll see you guys in my next video. I know this video was all over the place, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.